Hello students, I am Professor Nanore JG from Department of Physics, Raja Sripatra Bhagwantrao Mahavidyalaya, Aund. Today's topic selected for the discussion is the wave motion in ultrasonic waves for the class BSc Part 2nd, Semester 3, Paper 6. Now, this chapter belongs to the study of sound waves. That means these ultrasonic waves are the sound waves. In this topic, we are going to study transverse vibrations of stretched strings. There are a number of strings, musical instruments like veena, violin, guitar, piano, in which flexible string is stretched under tension and the string is excited either by plugging or striking. In all these musical instruments, the string is displaced from its mean position and released when it starts vibrating. If we consider a flexible string fixed at one point, when stretched under a tension, shows elastic properties. When it is plucked or struck at a point, the segment of the string is displaced transversely from its undisplaced position. Due to tension in the string, restoring forces are created, and therefore the displaced segment of the string regains its original position. And due to inertia, vibrations are set up, thus produced a pulse or wave moves along the string on either side of the plugging. Due to elasticity in the string, the disturbance created at a point moves along a string. This wave is called traveling or progressive wave, in which only the disturbance moves along the medium and the particles of the medium execute simple harmonic motion about their mean position. In standing waves, there are nodes and antinodes are produced.